to add an A record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. In the Domain section, click on the Zone Editor icon. Under Domain, click on the A record button for the respective domain. In the Name field, enter the domain name such as example.engagebranding.com. In the Address field, enter the IP address of the server. For example, 203.0.113.11. Click on the Add an A record button. That's it, you have successfully added an A record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.